Welcome to the Edit Room with Maria Marauder, a channel dedicated to video editing for beginners. Today we're going to learn how to do a before and after video using the wipe transition in Final Cut Pro. Before and after videos have a strong visual impact, and when viewers see a clear contrast between the before and after images or situations, it creates a powerful visual impression. This impact can capture attention and make the content more memorable. And here's how to do this. Step 1. Import your chosen video in the timeline. What we have here is a clip of a beautiful woman with no makeup on. This will be our before clip. Now, if you also have a clip of the same subject with makeup on, then let's import that for the after side. Step 2. Import that second clip on top of the first video. Step 3. Trim the video where you want the transition to happen. In this case, let's choose this part. Step 4. Go to Transitions and choose Wipes. Look for the wipe transition and drag it over the second clip. Step 5. Adjust the duration of the wipe transition. Step 6. We have the option to change the parameters of the transition. Make sure the transition is highlighted. You will see in the inspector window the parameters you can change. We can change the direction, left, up, right, and down. Let's just stay with right, meaning the wipe will end at the right side of the frame. Next parameter you can change is the edge treatment. Click on the down arrow and you will find that you can change the type of the wipe. The default is feather, which means a subtle change. We want a more obvious transition, so let's choose solid color. We can change its thickness by moving the border slider. And of course, we can also change its color. Let's choose red. And this is the final video. You can do so much using the wipe transitions while playing around with effects and colors to come up with a much more stylized and cool video clip like this one. If you want to know how I did this, please click on the next video. I hope you learned something valuable today about using the wipe transition in Final Cut Pro. Please like and subscribe, send me your comments, and of course, watch the other video tutorials in my channel. See you in the next Edit Room.